Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with your ASUS Zenfone 9. So we can do this by plugging in the charger to this Gosun Smart socket and so on, then to the device. From there the Gosun Smart socket will send information and performance to this device and we'll be able to see it. So now let's plug in the charger. Here we can open Gosun Smart Socket, move to Electric tab, and right here we can see all of the statistics, but let's wait about 30 seconds till all of them are stable. So now all of the statistics should be stabilized and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.